OK， 我们讲了一题，然后就做练习。OK，now 这个是好像是去年还是前年的你们学校的 test question。OK，so this is how they ask the question now. So look at number 1B. I just want to go through number 4 here. This one B number 4, because if you can calculate number 4, then you can calculate others. Now. B. Now, the same springs are connected as shown in the figure 1. What is the extension in each case? Meaning that what is the extension in the spring system? Okay, so your first step is you want to calculate the spring constant. Okay, first step, calculate spring constant K. Okay, 这边全部是用作同样的 spring 哦，所以我算 K 是这样算。Okay, so the same spring, so 这个第一题的 A 跟第一题的 A 跟 B 是连接的，所以你看回第一题的 question， 这边是讲 when an object of weight 10 n is hung at the end of a spring, the extension is 3 cm. So meaning that when the force is 10, the extension x is 3 cm, right? So from F equals to kx, then you calculate what is your K. So F to x, 10 divided by 3 cm. Then you get your extension. Spring constant 3.33. Okay, write this down here. 3.33 Newton/cm. Okay, so 写在这边3.33 Newton/cm. Okay, now 你已经算了 spring constant. So let's say we want to do number 4. Okay, we do number 4. Number 4, the complicated one. Okay, number 4. So you have 3 strings parallel, 然后2个 spring parallel 在下面，然后上面跟下面是 in series. Okay, so first, what is the first thing we want to do? After you calculate the spring constant, then 你要知道 what is the extension for just one spring. Okay, what is the extension for just one spring? If the force is 这个 force 要跟它的 force 一样 30 Newton. Okay, 30 Newton. So from here you find F equals to kx. So extension equals to F to k equals to F is 30n to 3.33. So I just take 30 divided by this one. Then x is 9 cm. Okay, answer to this one. Yeah, 9 cm. So the extension for one spring is 9 cm. Then you worked out what is the extension of this system. Again, you separate level 1. This one you have 3, so 9 divided by 3. Level 2, you have 2, so 9 divided by 2. And then you plus together. Okay, 339再加4.5. Then you plus together 7.5. So the total extension of this system here is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so if you're using this method, 不管你的 spring system 有几复杂，你都可以算到。Okay, so remember this one. Okay, 这个其实我有 send 你整个那个 solution 是给你们可以看那个 solution。如果你们还是你要看的 answer for 1, 2, 3, we have the whole answer sheet, the solution paper. Okay, I'm going to send you another worksheet for you to practice this one. So you do it on the spot, you do it right now, because I'm not going to give you any homework because you already have a lot of work. Okay, you just take this period, this available time to do it. And if you have any question, of course, just ask me anytime you want. Okay, so maybe I'll let you do like 30 minutes, and then we look at a few questions that you feel like cannot understand or anything. So like every 20 minutes or 30 minutes, I'll go through a few questions like this. Okay, I'm sending you in your WhatsApp. OK， 如果你看那个worksheet OK， 我开在这边，你有 a total of excuse me 7 question here, 7 to 8 question here. So you can try out these, some very good questions. So 有一些是 essay question 来的，比如说你看这个第一题是那种 structure question， 第一、第二是 structure question， 第三也是 structure question， 然后第四题这个呢是很像那种 essay question，OK， 所以你们的如果 SPM 的话 ，SPM 的你们有3个 paper 嘛 ，paper 1、paper 2、paper 3。So paper 1是完全是 ABC，paper 2是你有 structure question， 你有 essay question， mostly paper 2的 ，paper 3是那种 experiment 的 question 来的。Okay, so we are talking about paper 2. So all these questions are from paper 2. So 第四题是那种 essay question， 是比较 requires 比较长的 answer。OK， 所以这种你们哪一个好像你们哪一个 full scape 这样子写啦，当做你们好像做那个 essay。So don't look, you only look at the answer after you finish it. Okay, better to be like this one. Okay, number 5, 5、6是 structure， 7是 essay 来的。Okay, 7是 essay， and then 8是 structure。9 is also essay questions. Okay, so if you can do all, of course you do all. If you cannot do all, then do 你做几多就几多啦。Okay， 做几多就是 of course it's better to finish all. Okay, so I will send you the solution answer as well. So it is encouraged to, after you finish one question, then you look at the answer, just to give you a feedback of whether you do it right or wrong. Okay, so always have the answer with you, but don't abuse it. Don't before you finish it, then you look at the answer. No, that is not the use of the answer. The use of the answer is to let you, after you finish, and then you look at it to see you whether you're right or wrong. Okay, so the feedback loop, it comes immediately, meaning that you don't have to wait a few days, then only you know you're right or wrong. Okay, that is not very efficient. Okay, the reason for the answer, you have to answer. The reason I send you the answer is that after you finish one question, you really try it, okay, and then only then you look at the answer whether you are correct or not. Then this helps learning, okay, very quickly. Okay, so I'll send you the solution in the group as well. Okay, guys, you guys try it first. So after around 30 minutes, I'll come back and discuss a few questions with you guys.